Hey everyone, Brett here from the Protocase team, back with another Proto Tech Tip. In today's video, we're going to talk about adding serial numbers or text to your custom parts and enclosures. To revolutionize your workflow and simplify your part sourcing, we've developed a unique one-stop shop mass custom manufacturing process that's ultra fast, flexible, and easy. Part of our one-stop shop experience are our graphics and permanent marking capabilities. Through our graphics and permanent marking processes, you can add things like text, numbers, logos, and other sorts of images. But for today's Proto Tech Tip, we wanted to focus solely on serialization. Serialization in manufacturing is the process of adding unique serial numbers and text for identification on your parts, panels, or enclosures. This can help you achieve traceability and prevent counterfeiting, while also assisting with warranty, maintenance, and product recall. At Protocase, we have several processes that can add serial numbers as part of our custom manufacturing. A popular method for serialization is laser marking. It is an ultra-precise, efficient means of permanent marking that offers an enormous amount of versatility. The types of laser marking we offer are engrave, burn, silver, outline, ablate, and anneal. Next is Engrave and Fill. True to the title, this process involves machine engraving or laser marking a part and then filling those sections with ink. This process is available only on aluminum, and for the best results, we recommend white or black ink fill depending on the finish of your parts. Machined engraving, also known as machined etching, can be used to mark identification codes onto your parts. These are generally imprinted over a flat section of your parts, as if it is done over a bend line, it could lead to distortion. Machined engraving can be done on aluminum, stainless, or cold-rolled steel enclosures and parts using our high-speed 3-axis vertical milling machine. Another method used to achieve permanent marking is dot peening. In this process, markings are dot peened onto each part after it is cut, but before it is bent to prevent distortion. If you're looking for a cost-effective option, then we'd recommend dot peening. On the other hand, laser marking and machined engraving generally provide better aesthetics and can be used to add logos, symbols, or artwork, as well as marking in a variety of fonts and sizes, so they are the more flexible options. Rubber stamping is a popular permanent marking method for serialization as well. It is done by creating letter and number combinations using stamps. Then, the stamp is applied directly onto an enclosure or part using permanent ink. Avery labels are a less permanent serialization option. First, we print the serial number that you require on a label, then we apply the label to your part or the outermost section of your part. Next up, we have two graphics processes: digital printing and silk screening. Digital printing and silk screening are the two ink printing techniques we provide. Silk screening is best for graphics with a limited number of colors, whereas digital print is the superior option when working with high amounts of detail or when multiple colors are used in just one graphic. So now that we've gone through the different processes, you might be wondering, how can you submit a design which requires serialization? Well, if you want to include a serial number with your design, you need to ensure that you get the message across to the account manager that you are communicating with. We ask that you clearly indicate the need for serialization on the drawing or note that accompanies the drawing. While doing so, please also specify the starting number or number range, along with the quantity and the specific location of the characters and the format that should be used for the serial number. As always, you can discuss your project requirements with your account manager, and they'll be happy to help you choose the process that best suits your serialization needs. If you want to add serial numbers to your parts, panels, or enclosures and require more information, email us at info@protocase.com or fill the form on the Contact Us page on protocase.com. We'll have a link down in the description below. And that does it for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. We'd really appreciate if you liked and shared this video if you found it useful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on a single one of our Tuesday Tech Tips. Until next time, take care and keep on innovating.